Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to learn about getchar and putchar functions. Okay, so here the name itself denotes that the getchar and putchar. So it is going to get the character from the user and it is going to put the character onto the screen. Okay, so it is going to read only a character. So whereas in the getS and putS function, so here the getS means string, right? So it will get the string from the user and it is going to display the same string onto the screen using the putS function, right? So here we can read only one character from the user as an input and it can display only one character as an output. Okay, so the getchar function reads the character terminal from the terminal and returns it as a integer. So use this method in a loop in case you want to read more than one character. Suppose you want to print a string onto the screen using the get character. Then you have to use any loop, that is while loop, for loop or do while loop, to print the string onto the screen using the getchar function. So next, coming to the put character function, the putchar function displays the character passed to it on the screen and returns the same character. Okay, so it is going to display the character passed to it on the screen, right? In case you want to display more than one character, use the put character in the loop similar to the get character function. So here if we observe, putchar is opposite of the get character function, right? So we are going to read the input from the user using the get character, whereas we are going to produce the character onto the output screen using the put character function. So here also, if you want to display more than one character onto the screen, then you can use any loops. So now let us make clear about this concept using some examples. So int c, enter a character. Okay, so we're taking variable c. So c equals to get character. Okay, so here the get character will return an integer, right? So c equals to get character, put character of c. So enter a character, I'm going to enter a character here. So it will be copied to the variable c, okay, and it will be displayed, the same variable will be displayed onto the screen here. Okay, so here so enter a character, so I'm entering a character h, then it will be displayed onto the output screen here. The h is displayed on the output screen using the putchar function. Okay, so similarly here the next one. So here I'm going to enter the more than one character using the loop. Okay, so we can enter more than one character using the loops here, right, to get or to apply the get character or put character function. So enter some character and enter the dollar to exit. So I'm taking a character c here. Okay, so I'm going to enter the characters the until I press a dollar. So the compiler allows the user to enter any character until a dollar is encountered. So while c not equals to dollar, so until c not equals to dollar, it will accept the input. Okay, when c equals to dollar, then it will stop accepting the input from the user. Okay, and it will display the string onto the screen. So c equals to get character, so it is going to get the character from the user, okay, by entering the character here. So it is going to display the entered character is from the which is taken from the user, and put char of c, so it is going to display that particular character which is entered by the user onto the screen, and printf \n. Okay, so now let us execute this program and see out the output here. So enter the some character here. I have entered a character hello. Okay, so it is going to display the each and every character here. So HELLO. Okay, entered character is, it is going to display uh, the entered character here using the getchar function. And when the when the character is dollar, So when the entered character is dollar, so here I have entered a character called dollar, then it is going to come out of that particular loop until the entered character is dollar. It is going to accept the input from the user. Okay, so this is how we can take the more than one character as the input using the getchar function. Okay, so this is about the getchar and putchar function. Thanks for watching my video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel Virtual Study Time. Thank you.